Here's a quick video to show you how to clean your grill grates. All right, now the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to take this heavy duty scrubber. This is a great brush by Weber. We're going to use it and just loosen everything up. Now for the real magic. This is a product by Weber. It's a great grill cleaner. This stuff works perfectly. You're going to take it, just going to spray it all over the grate. Now this product, it tells you to spray it on and leave it for a minute, but this stuff is so baked on this grate that I'm actually going to leave it for a little bit longer. Now that the grill cleaner's been sitting on these grates for a little bit, it's actually been about 10 minutes, I'm going to take the scrub brush again, and we're going to just go over it just like we did last time. Now I'm going to repeat the process on the other side of both the grates. All right, now that we have these things scrubbed down, I'm just going to throw them in the sink here. Spray it down really good with water to rinse it all off. Now, if you're not happy with the amount that came off, you can always do this process again. You'll get more off of it. If you like where you're at, then you're just going to take these, put them back on your grill, and you're going to be good to go. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.